Hi, this is Maggie. In this video we're going to talk about installing Python and using the command line in idle, also called immediate mode. To install Python, visit python.org and mouse over Downloads. Follow the instructions from there to download and install the latest version of Python for the operating system that you're running. If you're new to downloading and installing software, you can choose Beginner's Guide under Documentation, and then click on Beginner's Guide Downloads on the Beginner's Guide page. It should be a pretty straightforward process, but there are suggestions in the Beginner's Guide for where to get help if you run into problems. Once you have Python installed, find and run idle on your computer. You should see a window that looks something like this. It should tell you the version of Python that's running at the top, and you should see a prompt which looks like 3 right angle brackets. This is immediate mode, which I usually refer to as the idle console. In immediate mode, Python will evaluate whatever you type at the prompt once you press enter. To evaluate means that Python will try to make sense of what you type, and if it can make sense of what you type, it will execute the command or give the answer. Let's look at some examples. We'll write the canonical first program that programmers write when they're learning a new programming language, Hello World. This is a very simple program in Python, just one line. I type the word print, all lowercase, then an open parentheses, an open quote, the message that I want to print, which is Hello World, close quote to close off the message, and close parentheses. When I press enter, Python tries to make sense of what I typed. Because I typed a correct Python command, it can make sense of it, and so it executed the command and printed the message that was in quotes, Hello World. That's a print statement, and you can print any message you wish by changing the text that's within the quotes. Pause the video and try printing different messages, and then come back. Welcome back. Besides executing commands like the print command, idle can evaluate expressions. What it means to evaluate an expression will make more sense as you continue learning Python, but for now you can think of it as meaning to give us an answer. So again, at the 3 angle brackets, I can type an arithmetic expression like 5 plus 2, press enter, and idle evaluates the expression, or tells me the answer. Experiment with what you can do at the prompt in idle, and after you've written several different print statements and evaluated multiple expressions, you're ready to move on.